subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Compared to some other big phones,
you're going to feel like you've kind of progressed into the next era of smartphone displays. The number one thing that I like about this phone, having used it now, is the display.
The display on the Ultra is unlike anything I've ever seen before.
These are now 6.2-inch and 6.7-inch displays respectively, and they are 120 Hz, Quad HD, OLED display.
Beautiful display.
Everything will look and feel smoother.
Samsung's phone ships with Android 10 combined with their One UI 2.1 skin.
Samsung thought a lot about one-handed usage, and especially important on a really big phone.
You feel like you're holding cutting-edge technology.
That's the S20 Ultra tops out at 108 megapixels with a ridiculous 100 times zoom.
100 times? That sounds almost unbelievable.
But the fact that Samsung dropped 8K in their phones is wild.
8K is 4 times the resolution of 4K.
8K video is 33 megapixels per frame.
This shot right here is a still image taken from an 8K video shot on this phone.
You just hit the shutter button once, and it'll decide for you based on, when eyes are open and faces are smiling and stuff.
Which I think is where this particular device shines.